Listen.
Hi, and welcome to the Groninger Library's second STEAM video as part of our summer reading program. I have two very special guests with me today. Go ahead and introduce yourselves to our crowd.
Aaron, Nana.
So, I have Aaron and Nana, and they are going to help me today. Alana. All right. So, we are doing recycle, reuse. So, do you guys know what we're going to do with our toilet paper rolls?
Yes, recycle it.
We are going to recycle it, and how we're going to recycle it is we're going to turn them into planters. So we are actually going to plant seeds in our toilet paper rolls. So that's going to be part of our recycle project, but everybody who knows our STEAM videos knows that we're using the scientific method for the summer. Yes, the scientific method. So our first step is we ask a question. So we've got two different types of planters here. Exactly, this is a traditional planter, and these are our, what are those? What are those, Alana?
Bowls.
They are toilet paper rolls, but they are going to be our recycle ones. So we're going to see if our plants grow differently in our recycled planters or our traditional planters. So that is our question. I could tell they're enthralled. So we have to form a hypothesis. Aaron, which one do you think is going to grow better? Do you think our recycled planters are going to grow better, or do you think our regular planters are going to grow better? What do you think? Oh, Aaron's going with our traditional planter. So that is Aaron's hypothesis, that our traditional planter is going to grow better. Now, we are going to conduct the experiment. If we plant those plants right now, are they going to grow immediately? Are we going to have a beanstalk growing through the ceiling today?
No,
we're not. So this is going to take a couple weeks for us to get some results. But we're going to start today by getting our plants ready. So that's our experiment, is growing our plants. And drawing our conclusions, we have to wait to draw conclusions until we get some plants. So now my lovely assistants have chosen the Summer Dream plants. Summer Dreams. So we are using the exact same potting soil, the same plants in each one of our planters.
to see which one grows better.
To see which one grows better, exactly. So those are all of our constants. Those are things that are going to stay the same. They're going to have the same light. They're going to have the same temperature. We're going to put them up by the front desk, so the planters are going to be together. The only thing that's different is, what's different in our experiment?
Wait.
No, they're going to look the same because we have the same. Yes. What? What's over there?
Flower.
That is a flower. Yes, it is. So what's different in our experiment? What's different?
We have different
Exactly.
bowls.
We have different bowls. We have different planters. Exactly. That is our variable. That's what's going to be different. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our planters ready.
Can I do it?
Let me cut it, and then you could go ahead and fold it. You see, we're going to have to fold it in, okay?
I feel like those are grown-up scissors.
They are grown-up scissors, so that's why I'm not going to let you guys do that.
Can I do it?
Hold on, can you fold this in? Can you fold it in so that way it's nice and tight at the bottom?
Yeah.
You do that, okay? Aaron, you get to do this one.
Yeah. Mine is putting it in.
All right, so push that in there, okay? Get it all nice and flat in the bottom so it can sit in our bowl. Do you need me to cut it a little bit more?
No, wait, no.
You got it?
Me too.
Okay.
I don't want to.
Oh, good job. Look at that. That is great work.
Look at mine.
You guys are excellent helpers. All right, so let's go ahead. We're going to put those in this bowl, right? To make sure they stand up. Okay. We're going to cut open our potting soil.
Yeah.
And our goal is to not get this all over the library. All right. So I want you to take your planter and you're going to scoop in here. You want to fill it up to about right there, okay? So here you go.
Can I do it?
You're going to get to do yours, yup. All right, so scoop it about 3/4. Oh, that's a little too much. There we go. Okay, now you got your planter ready.
Can I do it?
Here you go. All right. Other way, other way. Other way. Flip it around, flip it around. There you go.
One is at the tiny hole.
Oh, good job. Ah, that's a perfect amount. That was perfect.
She wants 100.
No, there you go. Oh, good job. All right, so put that in our bowl.
No, don't like that. Like
Oh,
this.
can you put the dirt back in there?
Yeah.
Just scoop it up and put the dirt back in. All right. And I get to do this one.
Okay. So you get to do.
I get to do the
The glass?
traditional one, yes. All right, so we have our planters.
Yay!
Let's get that one to stand a little bit better.
Yeah.
There we go. Okay. Now, are our plants gonna grow?
Yes.
They are? What's in there?
Soil.
Soil, but what have we not put in yet?
Water.
Ah, we haven't put in water, and what else?
Our seeds.
Our seeds. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put, in just a second, water comes in last. All right, so we are gonna split these seeds half in each of your planters.
Can I put it in?
Sure.
Can I put it in too?
All right, here you go. Here's a few.
Probably not.
All right, let's see.
Okay, no.
Oh, I'm gonna let you just sprinkle them in. So sprinkle about half of that in there. Okay. Good job, okay. And hold on, Alana, you get your side. Here you go. Into your planter, yep, put it in that one.
There's no more. Oh no.
They're in the bottom.
Tight.
They're in the bottom. There they go. Okay, and then what we need to do,
I'm gonna put in water first.
no, not water yet.
Oh.
Don't we have to tuck our seeds in?
Oh yeah.
We do. Okay, so instead of putting them in there, what we're gonna do, hold on, can I see this? All right, so this one's yours.
Pat it.
Yep, I want you to take some dirt and sprinkle it in the top and then pat them down, okay? Here, you could stand up on the chair. Okay?
Okay.
So careful, just stand up right there on the chair. All right. So go ahead, put it in there. Alana, we'll do yours in just a sec, okay? A little bit more.
Okay.
We want to make sure they are nice and tucked in. Oh, great job, Aaron. All right, have a seat, okay?
What about me?
You were going to do yours. Okay, over the bag, over the bag. Here you go. Tuck those seeds in. We want to make sure they have a good night's sleep. Good job. Okay, there it goes. All
Why
right.
are the seeds so tiny?
Because that's the type of plant that they are. They're just tiny little seeds. So we'll put a little bit more. Get a little bit of that dirt and those seeds in there.
There's one seed.
Perfect. All right. So we have those all ready. So now I have to do my seeds.
In your padding?
Mm-hmm. So I'm going to put my seeds in the top, sprinkle my seeds in, spread them around a little bit, and then I am going to grab some of this
And then we
and
get to
tuck my seeds in, and then now we are going to put some
Water.
water. All right. So to make sure we give each plant the same, yep, to make sure we give each plant the same. Now we're going to pour a little bit over the top, and then we are going to pour some in the bottom.
This is mine.
Okay.
This one's
So,
mine.
put them back in. Come on, put them back in. They have to stay in the bowl. All right, so can you hold yours up? Can you hold that up?
Oh.
Okay, hold it up. So that way, give it a little bit of water. Little bit of water.
Some is going on my hand.
That's okay. All right, and then we're putting a little bit of water in the bowl. Perfect. So we gave it about half a cup of water. And then I'm going to give mine
A bunch.
half a cup of water. A little bit more. All right, and now we are going to let our seeds grow. So this is how we set up our experiment. So with our experiment, what are we trying to see? Do you guys remember what we're trying to see?
Yeah, flowers.
We're trying to see which one grows better flowers. Exactly. So our experiment was to see which one, our recycled planters or our traditional planter, is going to grow better. Careful, we don't want to get that all over the place. So now we have our experiment set up, And Aaron before had the hypothesis that he thought the traditional planter was going to grow better. So every week we're going to send you guys an update on how our plants are growing. And then after a couple weeks, we're going to draw conclusions to see which one grew better and to see if you were right. Do you think you're going to be right?
Mm-hmm.
I think he may be right. So I hope you guys enjoyed this STEAM video. I almost forgot one thing.
They're growing!
They're growing already? Wow, we have super mutant plants. Guys, they're not growing yet, but in a couple weeks they're going to. Do you guys know what you could do while we're waiting for our plants to grow? What could you guys be doing?
Read a book.
You could read a book. Give me 5. Awesome sauce. So, I could not find any plant books because they're hiding in the kids' room, but I found lots of good bug books because we all know, do you guys like bugs?
Yeah.
I don't know any kid that doesn't like bugs. So, while you guys are waiting to see how your plants grow, you guys can read a book. All right?
All right.
All right. So, bye. Thank you, lovely assistants. We will see you guys next week.